Folks, I'm kind of excited about today. I was on the Bikini Bar yesterday, and the owner was writing on the sign they got beach volleyball today. I'm like, or no, I just said volleyball, 1 p.m. at the Bikini Bar. I was like, what are you gonna have, water volleyball, put a floating net? He's like, no, man. At 1 p.m., Bikini Bar is gonna crank up and gonna drive over to White Beach, play beach volleyball, and come back at 5. Folks, I couldn't pass that up. I have to go. I mean, it's a little cruise, getting to go to another beach, drinking on the Bikini Bar. I'm gonna play some beach volleyball. I'm excited. I'm gonna have a great time. I'm gonna take you with me. So it's time to go fire up the motorbike. I got about a 45-minute ride over to Sabang because right now I'm in Talipanan. I got to get over there. I'm not gonna miss the boat. I'm not gonna miss this cruise. It's a beautiful, breezy day. It's gonna be perfect for this little adventure. I'm gonna take you along. Let's go. Back to the Bikini Bar, but today we're going to play volleyball because I'm such a wonderful volleyball player. So we're on the boat on the way to the bar. So yeah, I don't know if this is our transportation over there or what's going on. I'm not real sure about it. We'll figure it out. Beautiful day. Got some scuba divers over here in the water. If you're into scuba diving, Puerto Galera, Sabang Beach is for you. I promise you. There's scuba diving everywhere. Folks, this water is so damn clear. This water is clear. Let me take a look over here. Look how clear that water is. Today it's a little windy. So you got stairs coming up right there. A couple little skiffs, but that is like jumping into a damn swimming pool, people, I promise you. It is like jumping into a swimming pool. So here's kind of looking back. The upper deck here. So you got people just chilling down there, tables. What more could you ask for? I want to invite all my subscribers. If you're a subscriber and you're watching this, you know, maybe I need to organize a trip here to Sabang. Wouldn't that be great? All my subscribers here on the Bikini Bar. This girl right here is just chilling. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful girl right here. Oh my goodness. Baby, are you going to the volleyball game?
No, because I'm duty.
How do we get to the volleyball game?
I don't know.
On this boat?
Oh, yes.
How much is it to go to the volleyball?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, you find out for me.
Yes.
Oh, this beautiful girl. One more time. Oh, that's so pretty. Sweet girl right here. All right, folks, I figured out what the deal is. Okay, 400 pesos. This boat's gonna drive over to White Beach. It's about a 30-minute ride, and it's free beer. As much beer as you can drink on the way there and on the way back. So I have 1 hour to drink as much beer as I can to try to recoup my 400 pesos, and I think I can do it, people. So let's grab my bag here. Take a look around. Let's board this booze cruise. It's time to board and drink some beer, folks. All right, it's time. It's time to board this here boat. Girls checking tickets. Yeah, that's funny. All right, I got our ticket right here, folks. All right, baby, I got my ticket. What do you say? There's a terminal fee? No terminal fee? What about an environmental fee for the mayor? No? Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, darling. All right, folks, it's time to walk this plank, but I'm a little drunk here. All right, look at this. Right here is a little driving spot. They want me to drive. I don't know. I don't think so. So we made it on this booze cruise. Now I'm ready to start drinking this 400 pesos worth of beer. What a good time, you know? Like I said, people, I've been to many places in the Philippines. For some reason, I just never come here to Sabang. But it's one of my new favorite spots. I recommend you come. We got a whole crew going here. This booze cruise is about to kick off. I got a cold beer. It's all you can drink for 30 minutes. Let's get down to business. Folks, that's where we just left, right there at the Bikini Bar. That's who organized this little shindig. So this is truly a booze cruise. But I think everybody on here is already about half drunk. At least this guy's about half drunk. Folks, take a look at these rocks over here. These little cliffs. This is a beautiful little backdrop here. Oh, we got another little cove over here. I'm not even sure how to get to that little cove. When I get back, I'll have to figure it out. There's another little hidden cove. Holy shit, how quaint is that? Oh, look at that little village. I gotta find this little yellow place right here. I'm not sure what the name of it is. Beautiful. Thank you, my friend. All right, folks, we're going with this one right here. Number 3. Numero 3. People, this is definitely White Beach because I see a sign over there that says White Beach Resort. We got banana boat rides. And I'm almost thinking, yeah, my resort is like way over there on the right. But, folks, White Beach is such a quaint... Okay, now I know I said Sabang is quaint, right? It's quaint in like a big commercialized way. White Beach is like quaint on a level of being fucking cozy. Look at this place, folks. God damn, this is beautiful. If you got kids, bring the kids here to White Beach. Like all kind of little blow up shit, water sports. Oh my goodness, I'm finna love this place. Alright, the booze cruise is beach, people. Alright, folks, so the final verdict is this. I only drank 3 beers on the way over here. I paid, that's like 150 pesos. If I drink 3 on the way back, that's 300. I paid 400. I'm down 100. I gotta step up my game because I'm a redneck, and if you give a redneck a buffet or all you can drink, I gotta break the bank. You can't make profit off a redneck, baby. When it comes to all you can drink, my goodness, look at that buddy. All right, people. So this is what I did. I told this guy. I said, look, I don't want to play volleyball. I want to stay on the damn boat, and I want to drink beer. And he said, you know what, motherfucker, you can't. You can stay on the boat, but you're not gonna drink beer. So, you know, he said, you know what, get the fuck off the boat. I respect that, man. You know what? I want to thank all the people on the Bikini Bar for organizing this beautiful fucking trip. I mean, I'm telling you, what a great trip here. The owner of the Bikini Bar, the manager, you know, whoever organized this, I really thank you because we haven't even played any volleyball, but I'm enjoying the shit out of myself. Got the volleyball game right here. Look at this bumpanes. Okay, so look, this is where we came to, the Beach Frog Bar and Cafe. It's right here on White Beach. Beautiful place, but we got barbecue going on over here, people. Got a beautiful girl over here barbecuing. How are you, baby?
I'm good, thank you.
My goodness, you look so beautiful. But what you got going? You got some manok over here, a little chicken on the grill. I gotta take a picture of that. My goodness. All right, little Beach Frog Bar, right next to the summerconnection.net. So I bought some fucking chicharrones, pork rinds. In America, you call them pork rinds, but I call them, in here, it's called chicharrones. Right here. All right. And And I'm gonna be honest with you, these chicharrones are the worst fucking chicharrones I've had in the entire Philippines. I can't eat them. I gotta give them away. Tastes like shit. You know what, folks? I like truth in advertising. If you need to do something other than take a pee, go somewhere else, because this fucking toilet can't handle it. Welcome to a Filipino bathroom. Folks, this game is intense. I'm playing, so I can't video. This intense game. I got the ref up here. He's a little blind. Fucking man down. Boom! Boom! Oh! Okay, I got this beautiful girl here. What's your name, baby? Huh? Belle? And what's your name, baby?
Margie.
Goddamn, I played in 2 volleyball games and my team lost every fucking time. I was on the Australian team. We lost against the fucking German team. Woo! Alright, let's sing it, baby.